This video will show you how to create an opening balance claim. This function is used on projects that were not using UniPhi from the start, so they will have contracts that have already progressed. An opening balance claim is a lump sum progress claim used to bring your contract progress up to date without having to recreate every claim document. To do this, you will already need to have your contract, deliverables, and any variations set up. Videos on how to do this are linked in the description of this video. Once that is done, navigate to the Contracts module and select your project. Then open the contract. Go to the Invoice subnav and enter the total contract progress to date as a lump sum. You can do this by entering the % complete, or just enter the dollar value. Press Save and create a new document. Select the opening balance template. Enter the document dates and review the claim values. You can use this attachments step to upload all of the invoice files to reference in the future if needed. At the Finish step, you can rename the document and select the status as signed off. Once the document is signed off, the contract progress will be up to date, but the project cash flow will not be correct. To fix this, you can import the project actuals using the steps in the video linked below. The opening balance claim will not be exported to your accounting system if you have accounting integration set up. For all progress claims going forward, use the relevant progress claim document template in your system, not the opening balance claim. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.